In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and disable web search in Microsoft Copilot using the Cloud Policy service. To get started, open your web browser and sign in to either the Microsoft Intune Admin Center or the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Which one you use can depend on how your organization manages policies, but both can lead you to the tools needed for this task. Make sure you're using an account with the right administrative permissions so you can view and update policy settings without interruptions. Once you're in, navigate to the Endpoint Manager or the Policy Management area where you can access the Cloud Policy service. This is the place where administrators manage organization-wide settings that affect how Microsoft tools behave for users. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct section before moving forward, especially if your admin portal includes several management categories. From there, click into the Customization or Policy tab. Here, you'll have the option to create a new policy if you're setting this up for the first time, or edit an existing one if you're updating a current configuration. If you already have a policy structure in place, editing an existing policy can help keep your settings organized and easier to manage over time. Next, choose the scope for your policy. This means deciding whether the policy should apply to specific user groups or to your entire organization. If you're testing the setting first, it can be helpful to apply it to a smaller group before rolling it out more broadly. If you already know exactly who should be affected, select the appropriate users or devices at this stage. After that, search within the policy configuration menu for the setting related to Copilot Web Search. Using the search function can save time and help you find the exact option more quickly, especially if the policy catalog includes a large number of settings. When you locate the setting, choose Enabled if you want users to have web search capabilities in Copilot, or choose Disabled if you want to turn that feature off. Be careful to select the option that matches your organization's intended experience, since this will directly control whether Copilot can use web-based information. Once the setting is configured, save your changes and assign the policy to the users or devices you want it to affect. Double-check the assignment before finishing so the policy reaches the correct audience. Finally, allow some time for the policy to sync and take effect across your organization's devices. Policy updates may not appear instantly, so a short wait is normal. Thank you for watching this tutorial on managing Copilot web search settings through the Cloud Policy service.